So Natasha, you're a BRR expert. You've done a lot of BRR deals. For the people watching, what exactly is BRR?
So it stands for buy, refurbish, refinance.
Yeah.
Some people add another R on for rent out. So it's where you buy a property generally at a discount, so below the true market value.
Yeah.
Generally speaking, most of the vendors need a quick sale, which is why they're happy to accept a slightly lower price than what they would get on a normal market. So they're motivated vendors, whether that's they're near repossession, in a lot of debt, going through a divorce, it's a probate sale. There's lots and lots of reasons why vendors are motivated and are more focused around getting a quick guaranteed sale.
Yeah.
So once you purchase the property, you need to add value. So that can just simply be through a cosmetic refurbishment, or you can do sort of garage conversions, extensions, lofts, reconfiguration of the property. What we quite like to do is add another bedroom in, because that significantly increases the value enough so then when you come to refinance the property, so you can purchase the property through bridging finance with investor funds, with your own funds, and then you refinance the property onto a buy-to-let mortgage to release all your equity, where you're looking to pull out as much money as you possibly can, which is why it's important to buy at a discount and to make sure you're adding as much value as you possibly can through whatever you do to the property.
Okay, so do you have an example of a deal you've done that you can run through with us?
Yeah, sure. So our most recent deal we secured through a direct mail letter.
Yeah.
So it was currently a 3-bed property when we bought it, a 3-bed mid-terraced. We purchased the property for £114,000 and did a pretty good refurb on it. We converted one of the bedrooms into 2 bedrooms.
Yeah.
So just put a stud wall in, so there's windows either side. So yeah, adding a 4th bedroom increased the value quite significantly. So our total costs came to just over £134,000.
Yeah.
And then we've had it revalued 2 weeks ago at £185,000. Yeah, so quite a big increase.
That's really good.
Which has meant that we've actually pulled out all of our money plus an extra £4,330.
Yeah. So all your money back out and then some.
Yeah. So that's going to sort of more than cover the investor's interest.
Yeah.
And then it rents out for £850 per month as a 4-bed, which cash flows over £400 per calendar month.
Yeah.
So we've got a free house earning us £400 per month, and covered all of the investors' interest as well.
That's an incredible deal, and it just shows you what's possible through property when you're out there. You've got the skin in the game when you are looking for properties.
Yeah, definitely, and that is like a sort of unicorn deal, I call it. Some of the deals we're quite happy leaving sort of £10,000 in, because it cash flows enough that in 2 years' time it's technically a free property.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Oh, fantastic. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.